Hello everyone. What is solve a simple question and get 76 cents? And what is this video about? Imagine there was a website which gave you money just for answering a very simple question. Wouldn't that be amazing? That is what this video is about. Why should you consider this method? The reason is very simple. All you have to do is spend 12 seconds of your time and you get 76 cents. And you can do this every day. And the question you will get will be very simple. And the last reason is that you can do this on your laptop and also on your smartphone. The website you can use to earn money online is hi.com. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, follow the instructions on the screen, and when you ask for the referrer name, just enter EARNlist. Choose your own unique nickname to complete the sign up. After signing up, you should know how to make money online from this website. There are two buttons on the top right hand side. One is a gift box. That gift box is the money making button. All you have to do is visit the website every day and click on that button. You will get a very simple question, just answer that and you will earn 76 cents instantly. Now let's talk about the button right next to the gift box. When you click on that button, you will get a referral link. All you have to do is share that link with your friends and family. When they start earning from this website, you will get 50% of that. And when they share this website with their friends, you will also get 50% of their referral reward. This website gives you high token, and at the moment you are getting 2.5 high token, which is worth 76 cents. Few months back from now, they were giving 25 high tokens, but back then it was only worth 25 cents. As you can see, as the price of the token is going up, the amount of token they're giving is going down. So you need to take action today. How to withdraw from this website? You can send the money you earned to other hi.com users, or you can convert it to cryptocurrency. And from there you can transfer it to any crypto wallet you want. But I will recommend you to convert it to USDT or Tether, as I will tell you how to multiply Tether in my feature video. You should watch one of these two videos if you want to learn more ways to earn. Learning and earning should never stop. Thank you for watching. Take care. Disclaimer: this method is not good enough to earn you a living. Please don't skip your daily tasks to do this.